Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G53, and I'm gonna show you how to clean a USB charging port on this device. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and the water resistant. Okay, firstly you need to take the cover off if you have. As you can see, I have now the cover. And insert and take the brush in your hand. I suggest to use an old toothbrush because toothbrush is the best tool to clean USB charging port on any smartphone. So now just insert the one part of the toothbrush into the connector. And just pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.